Hi, today I'm going to do a demo of how to clean your face in a healthy routine every day. So you're supposed to clean your face twice a day. So one in the morning, one before the bedtime. And before I use Avon product, I use Clinique. Clinique is quite expensive product, right? And so since I still have so many, so I have to finish them before I try Avon product. And I'm same as you, new to Avon, and try to share my experience with you. So here I bought for Mother's Day, my daughter bought me Aza Nox Anew from Avon. So this is serum, a set, gift set, and there's a day cream, and this is eye cream here. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to clean my face, use this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to score one bit, little bit, then rub in my hands. Then when you see the lather, so you start doing a motion cleaning. But why the reason I'm going to share you with my Avon product is I have been using this a week now. I can, very obvious to see in the see the improvement on my skin texture and the skin tone. Before I have very dark around under my eye, and these wrinkly, bags under my eyes. But after I use that routine twice a day, and along with the day cream, and I found that I have a huge improvement in my skin tone. And so now I'm going to use water to wash the cleanser off. Then I'm use this toner to wipe on my face. After your wash, splash clean the cleanser of your face. Use paper towel, just gently tap here. Now, what's happening is, always remember, serum is the lightest one and include the very nutrients inside. So always use this first because it's easy to absorb into your skin. So I'm opening it. You don't need too much. I score once, so look like this much. Then I use a finger. First, tap around your eyes, right? Where there's a wrinkle, dry area, because why is the tap motion? Because the tap motion is going to just tap the product around where you want it to be, and it the most fast absorption give to you. If you use rubber, every time you rub it, there's a fraction, right? So you wipe it off, so it doesn't really absorb into your skin that quickly or efficiently. So you have to tap here. That's I learned from Avon. Actually, I see the improvement on my skin texture, everything, the tone, the complexion. So now I finished that. Then I use the eye cream, put around the eye. So what's that happen is, eye cream is not only keep the moisture, also almost like a canvas, a raincoat over your skin to protect the serum inside to be absorbed. So you just a little bit. where you found that there's the end of the eye, there's more wrinkle is going to form. So then if it's daytime, because you're going outside, there's a environment, pollution, dust or whatever, right, wind to dry your skin. So that's another canvas to put on the top layer of the serum to protect the serum underneath the cream to be absorbed into your skin. So you just basically, you don't need much really after the serum is already underneath. So close it. Then also this, it's okay, you can tap here or you can gently wipe here, but I don't want to wipe here because every time you use the wipe motion, you pull your skin, right, either downward or upward or whatever, stretch your skin. So I don't like to stretch my skin, since when you're getting older you lose elasticity in your skin. So I'll just tap here. And also when you give your face a tap motion, it give a circulation to your skin, so make your skin stimulated and look more healthy. So now, oh shoot, I forget to use this tonic. The tonic always follows the cleanser. After you use the cleanser, you wash off, then you tap dry, then you use this to wipe your skin. So just to refresh your skin, and then you can put whatever the nutrients, right, nutrients to your face. So that's done. Now you can put right now you can put a sunscreen, but I'm not going to use the sunscreen on my face because it's too heavy. I'm going to use this Magic Prime, which has SPF 20, so protects against the sun, and also give you a little tone, like that's almost like give you a film, apply over the cream. So when the color goes on, it gives you a smooth looking. So now I can actually just, or if you want to put a foundation, you always can put a foundation over this. So you can see the difference between this side and that side, right? And here, yeah. So then when I of course you can put a very generous amount, right? Because it's important to protect your skin against the sun, UV. I also can tap over my lips, then I can put a lipstick over it. Okay, now I'm ready to put a foundation or concealer over my skin to make my face or skin look perfect. So today I'm just show you to here. Next time I'm going to show you how to apply makeup.